Ladies, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. It's time to get your passport because the world is out there waiting for you. And your passport is your key to it all. Someday soon, you're going to want to say yes to that trip to Paris, or Bali, or Italy, or Iceland. And when that opportunity comes, you're either ready or you're not. Let's make sure you're ready. Step 1, fill out Form DS-11. Use this form if you're applying for the first time. It's simple, and you can find it on the official website. Step 2, gather your documents. You'll need proof of citizenship, a valid photo ID, a photocopy of it, and a passport photo. It's basic paperwork, but it's your ticket to anywhere. Step 3, pay the fee. $130 for the application and $35 for processing. A small price to unlock the world, don't you think? Step 4, apply in person. Head to a passport acceptance facility, like your local post office or library. You're almost there. Step 5, wait for delivery. Routine processing takes 6 to 8 weeks. But if you're in a hurry, expedited service has your back in just 2 to 3 weeks. Bonus tip, take a cute passport photo. It's going to be your travel buddy for the next 10 years. Why not make it fabulous? And keep everything in a chic little travel wallet. Staying organized is just another form of self-care. While you wait, start planning your dream trip. Imagine the places you'll go, the stories you'll tell, the memories you'll make. So what are you waiting for? Get your passport, pack your bags, and get ready to live the life you've been dreaming about. The Frugal Aristocrat is here to cheer you on every step of the way. Subscribe for more luxury for less travel tips. You deserve to live richly.